while waiting for, the graduation, easily, makakahanap ka na ng work. So, yun, from being a freelancer, you're offered now a full-time position. And eventually, since graduate ka na, you can then pick whatever agency you want to be and whatever position you want to be. So, it helps, yung program itself from intern to the industry, it's a really good program, I suppose. And yun, kailangan lang talaga you grab that opportunity, you put yourself out there.
Yes.
Actually, yung sa kanya, yung sabi niya lang, pipili ka ng company. Pwede din kasi sa atin, ikaw pipili ng company. I think nangyari sa'yo.
Oh.
Diba? Kinuha kayo siya ng
Nakas.
company na ngayon.
Yeah.
So, sagutin yung mga experience natin.
Get as much learning as you can, as much experience as you can habang nandito kayo sa school, sa professors ninyo, sa co-students ninyo, sa buong organization ng ADPR kasi yan yung dadalhin ninyo sa mga iba't ibang journeys na tatahakin ninyo in the future. And yun nga, importante din na yung mga negative experiences, yung mga heartbreaks ninyo, okay yun na maging open kayo to accept it, pero wag niyo siyang gawing regret. Gawin niyo siyang building blocks into making better decisions after. Kasi it's part of learning. Nag-fail kayo, nasaktan kayo, so you learn something and you will not do it again.
Pero super saya kasi aside nga parang madaling trabahin yung mga boss. Very informal. Yun yung gusto ko sa advertising. Walang sir, walang ma'am, gano'n. Parang walang uniform. Oo.
Very corporate ka?
Hindi corporate ng advertising.
Naka-shorts nga ako.
Oo, gano'n. Pero walang shoes.
Basta naka-shorts.
Yeah, so parang just come in as yourself. Kasi doon nalabas mga ideas mo. And parang syempre gusto mo lahat ng ideas mo nakalabas din.
Like ako, personally, when I think of ideas, fun lang. Parang just have fun with it. Kasi parang, we're not like solving wars and during diseases, right? So just have fun with your ideas. And magre-reflect naman yun sa work. So yung sa OOT, parang wala lang si Ses Dremel.
June, yan, papasok na yung Pride Month.
Yes.
Ang mga brand na yan, bigla silang pagkakakitaan na yung mga queer communities and everything. Pero when we say yung second whole is like, ginagamit talaga nila yung isang community, not just for market, but to raise an awareness and advocacy para masolusyonan or like para ma-represent yung isang problema at para maging aware yung publiko doon sa certain na kinakaharap ng isang community na yon.
Higop ka lang ng kwento ng lahat. And ikaw yung maging avenue, maging story maker dun sa mga campaigns mo.
Parang vehikulo tayo ng mga totoong kwento na dapat nare-represent sa medium.